Today, we're going to guide you through the process of accessing your Credit Karma tax account. Let's dive right in. To commence, open your preferred web browser. Enter Credit Karma Login into the search bar and initiate the search. A list of various website links will emerge. Select the first one, which is the official creditkarma.com site. Upon entering the website, you'll be directed to the login page, where you can effortlessly sign into your account. Credit Karma Tax stands out as a prominent free tax preparation service that doesn't impose any charges on users for filing. Notably, it seamlessly integrates with Credit Karma Savings, enabling users to automatically deposit their funds, or a portion thereof, into a complimentary high-yield savings account. This feature aligns with the preferences of approximately one-third of Americans who plan to allocate their tax refunds towards building savings. The technology facilitates a smooth process, allowing members to direct money from their refunds into a Credit Karma savings account without navigating away from the platform. Now, to complete the login process, you'll need to provide your credentials. Begin by entering your email address, followed by your password. Once these details are filled in, click on the Login option. In case you encounter any difficulties during the login process, there's an option available to assist you. If you haven't registered for an account yet, you can click on the Create an Account option to initiate the registration process. And that wraps up our guide on logging into your Credit Karma tax account. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in.